with you. I told you. My feeling is right. And you're feeling good. Sino hindi nagsabi? Ikaw, PJ, then Alec. I don't know. Siguro, next week.
Beauty, sabihin mo sa kanya.
Ay, tabas. What? Ano?
Hug.
Bakit na yun?
Bakit? Sabi mo kanina. Galit ka?
Hindi.
Gusto mo matulog?
No, I'm feeling good. I don't know. At yung camera na naman. Look up, please.
Alam ko.
Really, it's so funny.
Camera!
I think the camera loves us. I don't know. Really, that's the kulit camera talaga dito sa bahay ni Kuya. The sofa camera. What do you think? Kulit talaga.
On.
Oof.
1,
Look,
2,
we must go
3,
here.
4.
I will change the position.
Wala din. Wala lang.
No, you must come. Come.
Ayoko.
Come here.
Ayoko.
Why?
Ayoko.
Sige, well, yeah. Maybe it's my last week, but okay.
Okay.
Next week, maybe I will see Tita earning.
And Tita Mioli.
Yeah.
And si Bale.
Yeah, maybe, I think we will go there. Yeah, because I think Tita Bioli, before I went here, she said, we will go there with the whole family sa Sibali because of Tito Tani. Mag-visit tayo doon. Yeah. I think. From Blonde Sibali. I will go. Sibali, here I come. But they don't have a TV too. At walang cellphone doon. Only sometimes they have signal. Ano?
Wala.